This is 3.1, number 24, using the definition of derivative. And so here we go. I need to plug x plus h here. So I will do that. That'll be square root x plus h minus 1. I just put the function again over h. Now if I take this limit, if I put a 0 here and a 0 here, this is radical x minus 1, radical x minus 1. That's 0 over 0, indeterminate. So I need to rewrite this. Now, what we learned, when we have radicals, we usually rationalize that. So we're going to multiply by 1. But my 1 is going to look like this. And I have to multiply the same thing on top and bottom so I don't change the function. And don't forget, I need to distribute. So let me do the next step here. So I need to multiply these two, but I want to point out, when I multiply these two and these two here, they'll be the same thing, but opposites because of these, they'll cancel out. So I only end up with that and that. So I end up with x plus h minus 1 minus x minus 1. And on the bottom, I don't want to multiply it out because my goal is to get something to cancel. So I'm going to leave it unmultiplied on the bottom. Now, if I simplify the top, nice things will happen. This is x minus x, so the x's cancel. And this is negative 1 minus negative becomes plus, negative 1 plus 1, those will cancel. And so I'm left with only h on top. So I'm going to get h over h, square root of x plus h minus 1 minus x minus 1. But beautifully, these h's cancel. And so for this limit, all I do is plug in 0 for h. And that will get me square root of x minus 1 minus square root of x minus 1. Something's not right. It's a plus. Plus, that's a plus. So beautifully, I get 1 over 2 radical x minus 1s.